Imagine a world where factories are alive, tiny, engineered microbes working tirelessly to produce everything from building materials to high-performance fabrics. In the 22nd century, this vision becomes reality. Scientists have mastered the art of programming bacteria, yeast, and algae to serve as microscopic factories. These living machines convert renewable resources like agricultural waste or even atmospheric carbon dioxide into sustainable materials on an industrial scale. The result? Plastics, textiles, and composites with custom properties, all created with minimal environmental impact. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which relies on fossil fuels and generates pollution, microbial factories operate at room temperature, require less energy, and produce little to no toxic waste. This new era of biomaterials means cities can be constructed with carbon-negative bricks, clothing can be grown rather than sewn, and everyday products can be fully biodegradable. Microbial factories are not just reshaping industry, they're redefining our relationship with the planet, making sustainable abundance a reality.